another neat thing that you can do, a shortcut, is I like to use array formulas when I'm filling in formulas. And so that's just a slight adjustment to this. What I can do is I will come in here and I will type in array formula. And what an array formula does, it just kind of copies it down the whole row. And the only other difference that I need to do is I need to change, instead of just K2, I need to make it starting at K2 and going all the way down column K. Let's see what happens when I do this. So array formula VLOOKUP K2 to K. And if I press return, great, it fills that in for me. However, as I scroll down to the bottom of my data set, and I keep going, you can see that I have these in A values. Now I don't want these in A values. So this one, because we copied the formula all the way down, I can just delete these individually and they'll go away. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and highlight these for the teacher names and delete those. Now for my school name, if I click here and I try to delete it, it won't go away because I've created an array formula. However, we can fix that by taking our array formula and we're going to wrap that in something called an if error. So if I type in if error parentheses, this is saying, okay, this if error, what it's going to do is it's going to say, if there is no error, if everything is fine, then do all of this stuff. And then at the end, if I put a comma, it says, okay, well, what do you want it to do if there is an error? And what I want it to do is just leave the cell blank. And the way that we can do that is put double quotes, space, double quotes, and then I'll go ahead and close the parentheses. And now anytime that there's blank data, it won't give me an in A, it will actually just leave that blank. So you can see now those have gone away. So whenever I do a VLOOKUP inside of an array formula, I tend to also put an if error statement